Hey guys, glad everyone's with me tonight. I am going to do a split cup ring pour on this 12 by 12 inch gallery wrap traditional profile canvas. So it's got the nice little, it's stapled but only on the corners, and it's got an extra bar in the back for stability and to make the canvas really tight. It's also triple gessoed. Triple split cup, so 3 chambers in the split cup. I'm going to be using violet. Thought I grabbed dioxazine purple, but I changed my mind at the last minute and decided to use violet. So I'm going to use violet. This is a fluorescent pink. So violet and fluorescent pink and yellow medium. This violet is transparent, semi-transparent. Yellow medium is semi-transparent. And the pink is transparent. I'm going to pour those out in a ring pour on a white base, and then I'm going to come back with peacock pearl. I'm going to load up a palette knife, this one, with peacock pearl, swipe over all 3 of those colors and then spin it out. So I'm going to get ready and I'll be right back. See you in just a minute. Don't go anywhere. Okay, got my spinner. Got my canvas prepped and ready. Got the back taped off. I'm not going to put push pins in the back of this one. Instead, I have a whole stack of cups that I just put canvases on, so I'm just going to get 4 of those ready. Have them on standby so that I can prop them up on the cups to dry. Prop the canvas up on the cups to dry when I'm done. Okay, so let's get started. I already have tape on here to hold the canvas down. I put some extra tape on just to make sure it's got a good grip. So let's see if we can get it even. Press down on there really well. Okay, that's not going anywhere. Okay, so we got our white. Start with that. Just going to pour down a puddle of white, and then I will put dioxazine purple, fluorescent pink, and yellow medium in a circle. I'll pour it down in a ring. Too fast. Let's do that. Let's add violet on this side. I don't want the violet and the yellow to overlap if I can help it. I don't mind it mixing with the fluorescent pink. It'll just make like a fluorescent orange color. But if it mixes with the violet, it'll be more of a brown tone. We don't want that. So we're going to put those on opposite sides. So that was violet. This is yellow medium. Might need to add a little more violet. And then right in the middle, I'll put fluorescent pink. I don't know if I want to pour these out in a ring or if I'm going to do a ribbon pour and then swipe over the ribbon. Since I'm going to be swiping with peacock pearl, I don't want to drag the violet into the yellow, but I'm not sure. Originally my idea was a ring pour, but things change. Tapping to get some air out. Torching a little bit here. Okay, I'm going to pour my petal of white. This is Amsterdam titanium white and my pouring medium. to go. Let's see, ribbon pour or ring pour? I think I'll do a ring pour. I don't know. I'm going to do something. I'm pouring. I'm really just trying to keep the violet and the yellow medium separated. Right, that's pretty cool looking. I like it. Do see a lot of air, so I'm going to torch before I even swipe. Okay, so I have some peacock pearl, which is a metallic, and metallics normally will make some sort of lacing or create some sort of cell action on their own. So I'm going to swipe over this with this metallic pearl and see what happens. And I think I'm just going to go across the middle, or maybe I'll go across the yellow here and across the violet. I haven't decided. I better decide. It's go time. This is going off the edge already. Okay. I'm just going to load it up with the paint. This is not a thin paint. It's not a thin coat of paint, so I'm not sure what's going to happen. I mean, it's not thinned out. It's peacock pearl. So let's find out together what happens. I do want a thin coat on my knife, so I'm going to let some of it drip off. I don't drag too much. Swipe number 1. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Okay, I'm ready to spin it out. Maybe I should just tilt that now because this is gorgeous. I don't really want to lose what I got going. Okay, one more spin. No, I don't want to spin it again. It's too pretty. I'm just going to tilt this corner off. And hopefully just that corner. Okay, and I'm going to bring it right back up here to me. I know I have something in my paint. It's ruining my design. Piece of schmutz. Well, I'm done. That was pretty easy. I love this. Love this. Just drip a little bit of violet on this corner. Wow. I'm gonna do violet here too. Yeah, this is gorgeous. Okay, here it is. Really, really pretty. Sort of upside down, but it's very, very gorgeous. Metallic pearl. A beautiful lacing across the colors. I'm really, really in love with this violet, yellow, fluorescent pink, and turquoise peacock pearl. Thanks for being here, guys. I'll see you next time. Have a great week.